Crafting 18 grams of espresso at home. Espresso making is an incredibly rewarding experience in every sense of the word. From the aroma that fills your kitchen to the promise of a rich and flavorful cup, it's truly enjoyable. A proper extraction is all about achieving the perfect balance. You want the aroma to be present but not overpowering the taste. And at the same time, you want the taste to be rich and satisfying. This is where using fresh beans plays a significant role. They're known for their unique flavors and are the key to producing the best coffee possible. Grinding the beans is also crucial for obtaining the best results. Precise grinding ensures even extraction, which in turn avoids bitterness. Tamping the grounds creates a consistent puck for optimal water flow, which further enhances the extraction process. Heating the cup beforehand maintains the espresso's temperature, ensuring the perfect pour-over is achieved. Savoring the outcome of your efforts is part of the experience themselves. Enjoy the process and relish in the beautifully rich and robust flavor of your homemade espresso. Thank you for watching.